The SR3 Bluetooth and proximity reader lets you use both proximity credentials and mobile credentials to allow entry into an access point. Here's how to link a mobile credential to your phone in Virtual Keypad. If you have never used Virtual Keypad, you will receive an email showing you how to download Virtual Keypad. Another email will notify you that you have received a mobile credential. Open the email and click Login. Here you will see any credentials sent. Tap the button to link the mobile credentials to your device. The credential will now be linked. To use the credential, make sure the Virtual Keypad app is open and running. Approach the reader and wave your hand in front of the reader. Make sure your device is in the specified range of the reader. The reader will change from a steady white to a spinning blue. The reader will turn a solid green, indicating that access has been granted. Here are some important user tips to ensure you use your mobile credentials correctly. Mobile credentials cannot be recovered if Virtual Keypad is deleted, a user's mobile credential is removed in Virtual Keypad, a user is removed in Virtual Keypad, or if a user's phone is factory reset. Once a credential is linked to a phone, that credential cannot be transferred to any other device. For more information on the SR3 reader and other DMP products, visit dmp.com.